going to take you through our beverage meter and how to wire it up so you get your pulse outputs into some kind of display or PLC type system. So here's the meter itself, NSF approved. It's bi-directional, so you can install it in any direction you like. And it has 3 wires coming off. We have the red and black for the positive, 0 volt, and then your pulse output on the blue. What we're going to do is wire it quickly into one of these. This is our Pulsite Solo, a simple display unit. Here's a meter that's been installed with the flow going up to down. Well, that doesn't really matter. What I'm going to do now is show you how to connect this into one of these. Now in the Pulsite, you take the front off and you'll then come to the terminal blocks at the back. Instructions are shown in the manual here, but you'll have similar instructions with any device that you want. The beverage meter is an NPN pulse output device. So as I say, we have 3 wires and the pulse output. To make life simpler, I put a terminal block on here, and as there's plenty of room in the back, we can always use that anyway. So we've got 0 volts, plus volts and pulse output. And so what we need to do is first connect the pulse output. So as I say, this is a NPN pulse device, and so we do need a pull-up resistor between the positive and the pulse output. You should receive a 10k resistor with your pack, with your meter. So here I've already put one in to the correct terminals, the blue being the pulse and the red being the positive. And so we just need to connect those up and also connect it to a power supply. Because this is a Hall effect, it does require power to use the transistor. This gets a bit fiddly, as you can see, because we are putting in multiple wires, but it's not too bad. So I've now got the pulse connected, the pull-up resistor connected, and the positive supply in on the same line as the positive supply of the meter. So we are powering the meter and we are powering the pulse. So now I just need to fit the 0 volts back to ground on the power supply. There you go. And once that's done, I'll start to activate the meter, but I'll turn the power on. And we should, there we go. So now we're in flow mode. So if I turn the flow on, you should see the unit show you flow as it goes along. So there we go, so we've successfully done it. The Pulsite Solo has already been pre-programmed with the amount of pulses expected from the meter, so we're running at about 2.2 litres per minute on this unit. And if we want, we can also switch to a totalizer flow. So simple enough, a bit fiddly, but no real issues. Thank you.